This is ingredient before the foam. You can see very scratch. You can see the foam very little scratching on here. Now we put the foam on the table and start the power. Hit your hand table. Now the machine is ready. We push the number key and push the number 1 new file. Push the FV. Push the FV. It's okay. Wait a minute. Then we put the number 1 point and move the hand to the foam. You can check the speed. It's north. We turn it faster. Turn it to high. Then move. If there's too much speed, we can turn it to middle. This is little over the foam design, and the y-axis is this middle line is on the foam, the up line. Then we push the int and push the 2. Push the int again and push the number 3 line end. We set in the line end. Then the speed is faster. Also, it all come inside the foam, not go outside the foam here. Then we put the int again. Then we push the 0. Push the 0 again. We need to set the 2 to the number 3 and push the OK. Here is set the how long the foam, how many tight he engrave this foam cylinder. This foam is about 170, so we set the 70. Then we push this one is 10 millimeter. This one line is 10 millimeter. Go one step by one step. Go here. Then we push the safe F1. Then we push the safe F1 again. And then we push the this one and push the 2. Number 2 is okay. We check this one carefully. Please downloading your program. So we push this reset. Let the phone go back. Let the hand go back. We need to set the hand touch. This one touch the phone cylinder how high. We push the number 3 again and push the 5 and push the 5 again. Then here we go. And if you push the int, yes, enter, it will go down. If you pull no, it will not go down. Then we need to make this one little touch the face. Use the speed not very high. Use the middle is better. Then make the little go down. If very close, you change the speed slow, and little more go down. You can see it's little touch. It's okay. Then we push the in. Then you should set the how high the foam, how high this one. Then we can push the reset and let the machine go back and start the machine. Then you can see turn Y. Turn Y is the ceiling foam is successful to engraving. To block turn Y, you need to set the hand more deep. Later you can turn back the phone with some including put the inside. Let the machine stop and check the phone. Look at the crash. You can see it still have no crash. Just like this, it will be okay. Now let's step. You can see the scratch is gone much. So next step, we change the small sand. And then we just put in the star. See the phone become this like this. It's become like this. It's okay. Now we clean up the phone before the wax polishing.
手动打架。
After cleaning up, we push the gun around the phone.
People from below.
and crash out the gun. Under the light for a few minutes. 15 seconds okay.
再就是新方法。
So we also need to cover the air foam. Also pull it under the light. If the foam light has the gun, we will get it out. Not let the gun hide the cinema. If that, the polishing machine will polish the gun, not polishing the glass.
OK，差不多。
You can see after the wrap version, the foam will become very smart. You can see after the wrap version, you have to finish and be squished. There we go, okay.